How to fix Wi-Fi connection automatically turning off. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if your Wi-Fi connection is automatically being turned off when you try to turn it on. So if you try to connect to a Wi-Fi network and turn it on, then if it automatically turns off after some time, then you can try these methods to fix this problem. So the first one is you have to open up your phone settings and reset your Wi-Fi network. So depending on the device, you will find the settings on a different setting. So go ahead and scroll down, and from here on general management, I have this reset option. I'm just going to tap on it, and here is the option to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Just tap on reset settings and it will completely refresh your Wi-Fi network. Once you do that, you just have to restart your phone and then try to connect to your Wi-Fi again. But if that doesn't work, then what you'll have to do is go to developers option and find the Wi-Fi throttling menu. So from here, as you can see, this option right here, Wi-Fi scan throttling, make sure to turn it off and then turn on the mobile data always active. So once you do that, your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.